is United Nations Day celebrated across the world. Traditionally, United Nations Day is spent on meetings and events that revolve around the various agendas of the United Nations. In many countries, the day is a public holiday, while some others celebrate the awareness programs, cultural shows, etc. The US has been celebrating United Nations Day each year since 1946, with their president issuing a proclamation, while in countries like in Kosovo, United Nations Day is an official non-working day, as the province is administered by the Interim Administration Mission. In the Philippines, school kids are encouraged to put on the national costume of member states and organize a program.
On account of United Nations Day, Home Ministry has announced that the UN flag will be flying along with the national flag at top all important buildings in India today. In a directive to all central departments and administrations in states and union territories, the ministry said every year October 24 is observed as United Nations Day, when the UN flag is flown along with Indian national flag on all buildings on which the tricolor is regularly flown. The United Nations flag is however not flown on Rajya Bhavans, Rajya Nivas and building housing legislative councils, legislative assemblies and high courts, it said.
United Nations Day, above and beyond, is celebrated to remember the Organization of United Nations and its agenda of promoting human rights, diversity and progress across the world. Basically, it is the United Nations birthday, but there is more to it.